Welcome back, viewers and subscribers to Red Button Journal. Today, we're so excited. We're going to Jack's Hill. This will be the first Jack's Hill road we take right here. Okay, so we settle in, finally, Jack's Hill. This looks like a close here. It's been a while since we filmed, people, but here we are. Got our air conditioning fixed. We got... Oh, now this is interesting.
This look like somewhere we come already.
No. No,
Yeah, don't blow your horn at all, you know.
Call instead. Oh. See, now I'm looking at the map here and it shows a little circle there. Well, that's because there is a circle up in there, but you have to get inside first to use the circle. So
There is.
those are nice little houses, little townhomes.
Yeah.
Nice little townhomes. I wouldn't mind living there, you know.
Yeah.
Just come up, put in your code into the gate. Gate opens, you pull in, or you call ahead. Yeah. All right, I got to do my map out a little bit so I can see where I'm at here.
It's expensive to live in those. It's expensive to live in those
Yeah, I bet it
Apartments.
is.
because
Now-
they do all the maintenance in, you know.
Oh, you can rent them. Okay,
Yeah, I know.
410-7872. 410-7872.
What it ESG properties.
Yes.
Knows.
Yeah, you just call those, see about renting those. And then I'm going to pull down here and take that road that I missed when I was first starting out. Because it looks like... Oh, why am I...
Oh, it's.
All right, here we go. That's kind of a busy street right there.
But I say are close to Whiteford close, but you have some
Yeah.
3 different roads, so that seems like it ends right at the,
Yeah, it does. It does. Oh, there's a Subaru Forester. Oh, that's a nice one.
it's a
Nice.
big one.
It's just like the ours. It's nice and black colored though. Ours is green. Okay, well. This is kind of the edge of Jack's Hill here.
Yeah.
They said in the real fancy homes, although these are nice enough homes.
Of course, yeah.
I mean, I'd be more than happy to.
These houses look like they are more older type.
Maybe, yeah.
They built they look.
Oh, that's a pretty home over there to the right.
Yeah. They look like they were built a long time. Look at the style. That's a BMW and
That's what I was noticing. And there's a BMW in the. Oh no, that's Hyundai over there. But yeah,
I don't know that one is what. Yeah, these all look older.
pretty homes.
Yeah, they are nice homes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd love to see inside of them. You know,
Yeah. Oh, they're nice, but
and the pretty flowers on the. I like where they have the pretty flowers
they have
between
the same looks like it's like with a like maybe I know real estate person build them. This style that they have,
Oh.
they look the same with
Or
hip roof they call it.
where the roof kind of points out at the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I
look,
see
all
what
of
you mean.
them.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
have the same style
And up here, look, those three. Boom, boom, boom. They all have the very same
down
style.
Here, all even here. Look, like a builder build these house and sell.
Yes. A developer.
Developer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they're all the same style.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, maybe some people will do a little changes to
But
them.
you know, a lot of people,
But they are
I
the
mean,
same.
the thing about that, when you buy a house in a neighborhood like that,
Mm-hmm.
then everybody's house is similar
Yeah,
as far as value,
Yeah.
and so
See,
you move into a neighborhood,
look at them.
kind of your social,
Yeah.
economical status and everything within the neighborhood is similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But some people will change up theirs too, you know.
Mhm.
Or sometimes it's somebody buy it. See, they are the same. Somebody would buy
Look
it.
at the, yes.
Yeah. And change it up, you know.
Mhm. Now look at the nice
Yeah.
veranda garage area
Yeah.
they have to the front.
Yeah.
Several of them have that.
Yeah.
They all seem like they all have it, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, now this isn't really what I thought of as far as for Jack's Hill, but
No.
but
What is it?
but it's the beginning of it. And look at this
it's-
house to the right, though.
Yeah.
Woo!
So you see, maybe this was like the first set of houses in
Mhm.
Jackson.
It could be. It
Yeah.
could be, sweetie.
It was just starting.
As first as far as like a developer neighborhood,
Right. Yes.
and even this house here
Yeah.
seemed like it's the same style.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's been built. But it's got two stories because of the way it slopes away.
Yeah. Look over over there. Some lot of houses.
Mm-hmm.
So
Up
you're
on
not
the-
going.
I am. I'm going to go up here and turn around and come back this way. And catch these right here. Look at that long driveway. Yeah. Beautiful flowers.
Quiet, you know.
Oh, that house looks like that's. Oh yeah, that's being
Oh, that one is.
being torn down. Maybe redo or something.
Yeah, you know, sometimes maybe owners die. You know,
Mm-hmm.
children in foreign.
Okay, this is back to the main road again, and this is called Temple Meads. That was nice of that man to let me go. Oh, he's turning in here. My map, every once in a while it does this where it doesn't want to center anymore. There's some setting that gets changed. And that's not the first time that's happened to me. About every second or third video, I have the same conversation about this.
Just look like.
Apartments, maybe? Yeah.
Wait, they have bamboo growing at the front here.
Oh, yeah. And that's kind of the corner of their lot. See? Yeah, you know, this could have started out as kind of a development here. Not just people didn't just buy land and build. Oh, that's nice up in there, that house. You don't get to really see it other than right at the gate.
Yeah. What? Pygmies. Pink knees.
Pinckney's green.
Green.
We'll take Pinckney's green and up to the main road, then turn around again just like we did the last one.
So why you didn't just go down that way and then?
Because I want to catch every street. Because then if I do that, then I'm not going to catch every street. You know? If my map was working better, I'd keep my eye on it, but it doesn't seem to want to do its job today. Maybe it's working right now. All right, I'm going to turn my glasses on, see what we have here. Well, this is just Jack's Hill Road again. Ouch. Oh, I see. Mm-hmm. Huh. Well, warmed up outside. Sure glad the air conditioning is working. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, yeah.
You're comfortable?
Yeah.
Can we turn it up a little bit, or are you okay?
Yeah, turn it up a little more.
A little more?
Yeah. It's kind of hot.
Yeah, it's kind of warm in here.
Because we are facing the sun.
Yeah. It'll pick up on our audio, but it's okay.
And this time of the day, it starts.
Yeah, and it's summertime. Oh, it's a pretty home there. Nice landscape. I'm going to turn that down a little bit in case you want to talk. You want to talk about anything, or just drive slow and look?
I'm taking the scene.
Ooh, that's pretty.
This is a big piece of land.
Big, yeah, that's what to me, something about a big land like that just looks so attractive.
And your house can be far away from the road.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Well, that's a big home there to the right. I probably can't even hardly see it.
The wall is high. The wall, and then they put that. It's big. It's a big place too. It's big.
Well, that's a new home going in there. New building.
Yeah, that's wow.
It's big.
Well, maybe there was a house there already, and they only doing addition.
Mm-hmm.
She's big and high.
Yeah, it's a big home. Wow.
Just look like nobody live here.
Look like a house to there.
Oh no,
See a house? Oh, look at this house to the right.
Yeah.
Or apartments or whatever. That's got several entrances. They've got a big circle drive in there.
Well, it seems like it's apartment or something.
Maybe, or just a big rich person. This house here, look at that. It's a beautiful home. Beautiful home. Wow. People here to the right-hand side. Oh. I don't know what to make of that. It's got all kinds of cameras and... Well, that's...
You know,
I like all these houses.
You'll find people of the embassy, ministers, and all those people.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yeah, there
Rich
could be
people.
ambassadors and stuff
yeah,
live
so
up in
rich
here.
people, so.
Yes. Let's go slow by some of these where we can kind of see in.
This one is
A
nice.
nice home. Nice houses, really beautiful. Okay, I'm going to kind of do this side of Jacks Hill Road first, and then we'll go around and do over there. Because I'm not sure where all the streets are at, you know, over there. Turn the fan up again.
These lots are very big around here. These lots are big. The first part, they are big, but not so big, but these are very big.
Yeah.
So, you know, these are the more up people.
Definitely, these are the more up. That house there, I just really like. It's so attractive. Maybe it's got a swimming pool on this end. Indoor swimming pool.
Yeah. There's like a gazebo down the bottom here.
Mm-hmm.
Got these razor thing.
Yeah.
And camera leave out here.
There is a house back in the back of that lot here, but I think the house is on the
maybe
other road. It's like a back entrance, maybe? I don't know.
Maybe. What am I say? Like you don't forget.
Okay. All right. Don't worry about it. Just go. Just go.
What am I say? You should drive that.
Yeah. But don't worry about it. Just go. Worry about the next man. I don't know why people think.
You know, I try to show you, say, I know this year did it come. You must have go around now.
Well, but it doesn't matter to me. Drive the way I want to drive. It's just a residential little drive slow neighborhood, you know?
Oh, this is the same place.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe they demolished the house.
It seems so, sweetie.
Yeah.
It seems so because I see foundation up in there.
Got those houses up in the hill.
Oh, that's nice over there. Wow. Oh, this is getting nice right here. Look at this.
Got that over there.
Whoa. It makes me want to sing. So beautiful. These homes. That house there.
Yeah. Whoa, it's more than one house. There's another one here.
That may be a guest house or a swimming pool. That looks like that's a swimming pool, sweetie. Maybe. Yeah, that's a swimming pool area there.
It's a big piece of land.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one.
Yeah, then this is the next house here.
Got that over there.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, the The further we come, the bigger the houses get.
Wow, this
Wow.
so big.
Wow, 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 wow.
Go crop this one over here. And look how high their walls are, you know?
Mm-hmm. Well, they're not high here. They let you see their house here.
Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Seems like the further in we come, the bigger the houses get.
Mm-hmm. This one look like nobody don't live there though.
It looks like they're maybe getting in.
I like the color.
Oh yeah, that light green and
light.
cream.
Yeah, it look good.
Mm-hmm.
You see, man, the house there, far in from the road. That's very, very big one. That can be one's somebody's house. Maybe his apartment. That one.
Yeah.
So big. Big piece of land. You know?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's going to be a joy to go back down this street. Really lovely homes, people. People. Sit back and enjoy. We're not really too talkative today, but that's fine. We don't have to be talkative every day. I'm going to turn the fan up again.
This one is like it's an old house. What is good? It's good.
This blue house up here is very pretty. I like the color too, actually. That baby blue and white.
Mm-hmm. I prefer this cream and
that cream and that light green.
Look, this big yard that they have.
This big yard on this house, I do like really.
Yeah.
I like I was saying earlier. When I see a house, it's got a big yard, and going up to the house.
Oh, this house is big, but it's weighing. It's big.
I'm gonna have to go slow past this gate so I can even see up in here.
And you have security house where it look nice.
Yes.
So it's a big deal in that yard.
This house to the right and to the left, both of them here are just absolutely amazingly stunning. I think the one to the right I like a little better, but
this one a really big
I don't
yard.
know why. Maybe because it sits up higher.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sits up
Big
higher.
yard. Yeah. Wow. We have so much mangoes because I don't know. It seems like everybody know planting mangoes in their yard, and some people have so many mango trees.
Yeah.
And when they start ripening, it's like they go to waste because they don't even sell them. Or nobody want them to buy. And I like the people up here, so they just go to waste.
Yeah.
These people not gonna go sell mangoes.
It's kind of like in foreign, a lot of people grow zucchini in their gardens. And there's certain times of the year where everybody brings zucchini to work to give away to people because they have more than they can eat themselves.
I used to get them at work, yeah.
Yes.
Because zucchini,
But there's even too much for people to give away. There's just so much zucchini. It's just pure zucchini everywhere.
Yeah. Somebody carry a lot of zucchini come, just put it in the break room. And you just take what you want.
Yes. Oh, yeah. There's a certain time of year in America where it's just pure zucchini.
Well, if the crop can, you can like stretch it out, like you plant just a little amount now, and you plant enough, you plant again where you can have it all the time.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, stretch it out, instead of planting all of it one time. Unless maybe in America.
Well, they don't have that long a growing season.
Right,
that is
it. But like
it depends on where in foreign.
Yes.
In America, yeah.
Maybe if it's in Arizona and those places, you might. No, but sometimes even in Arizona, you have snow. The place is so cold that certain things will not prosper, This is the smallest house I see up here, so this house over here. This one is big.
So I guess mango season here is kind of like zucchini season in the U.S. There's more than anybody could ever.
But you remember when we went to Clarendon, we went to St. Elizabeth, when we went to pick up that thing that you went to pick up.
The batteries?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Where was it? Is St. Elizabeth?
We went, where did we go?
St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth, yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
And when I bought those mangoes, and the mangoes, they weren't all that great? No, because they did not let them...
they didn't let them ripen on the tree.
Not really ripe on the tree, but they were not mature.
Oh, that's a pretty landscape there.
Yeah,
Look at that. That's really pretty there.
Yeah. And it wasn't the real mango season, so there are some places that even when the season is out, you can still get...
See this flags here? I wonder what country.
Look.
Ambassador of
Belgium. I don't know.
Belgium? Maybe that's Belgium.
I must say Belgium.
That's Belgium in their language.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Belgium.
Wow. So there is an ambassador there.
Okay. Yeah, these are the places that you would find them.
Yes.
You see how one of lot is big?
This is a nice lot. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You put about, at that first, when we first came into the neighborhood, into the Jacks Hill neighborhood, about 3 houses would fit on that. Now it's down to 1 house.
And this is another big
This lot, they've torn down and they're rebuilding something.
Yeah. So maybe one of these that could be like an acre.
Yeah? Oh, look at the size of that home. Wow.
Yeah.
Maybe when I come back, I'll get a better peek. It's hard to peek in these because you can't really see over the wall. You just occasionally get a chance to look up in the gate,
Yeah.
Okay, I got to turn the fan up again when we face the sun. Wow. Well, people just sit back and
just look.
Yeah.
Relax.
Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights. We're not going to just talk straight. When we did our zoo video, I had some piano music play a couple times, and it wasn't because we weren't talking. It was because there was some copyright music that I had to cover up, and so I couldn't just leave everything play. I had to. So if y'all were wondering why I had music, that was why. Normally we don't add music. We just have our talking and such. But that was why.
This line.
This fan is turned quite high. I had it turned pretty high. I had it actually already as high as I normally do. But
turn it down. It's
No,
two
I'm just
different-
going to leave
two-
it on.
Two different flags are here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
The one's their country flag, and the other one maybe it means is their ambassador flag or something, you know.
okay.
This house to the right almost seems like it might be empty. Just peek in the gates when you can, people. It's all we can do. And when I do the video editing, I'll try to just, you know, train the camera to the one where you can see the most, and just enjoy the beauty as we drive past. Really beautiful homes. Yeah, there's some really beautiful homes here. I didn't really have a plan on how we'd drive through here, but I think the way I'm doing it seems to be working fine.
The cashew tree has a lot of cashew on it. With
Oh, look at them.
and the fruit can be that fruit. It's really good. The juice, you can make juice, or we just use it, eat it like that. Oh, they have a lot of
I
cashew.
wonder if the camera may be not tipped enough to actually see those.
The cashew?
The cashew, yeah, maybe the front camera when I'm far enough away.
That's a big cashew tree, and so many many fruits on it ripe, and they don't pick them, you know.
Yeah.
And then the seeds is at the bottom of it. When we were children and we go pick cashew, there was a cashew tree, a donkey pass of the color around there. And when you roasting it, it would make you cough. You have to run. You cannot stay near it.
Oh, really? Why is that? Why?
There's a oil in it that comes out.
The oil that would come out when you roast
It must be
it?
toxic. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, that's a pretty yard.
Yeah.
They're both pretty yards, both sides of the road.
Mm-hmm. You know, these houses are long time houses.
I was going to say these are older homes.
Yeah, they are older homes.
Yeah, yeah.
I like the color. That's cool.
Well, that just goes a little ways, so I'm not going to drive there. It just goes to their drive.
Okay.
But that is a pretty home there. Beautiful, big, wonderful. You'd need a staff. If you lived in some of these homes, you'd need a staff to look after them.
Yeah, they have to have somebody. If not even every day, but every month or whatever, you would need somebody to
come and
do a general cleaning.
Touch up your paint.
Oh, the paint, not the painting. I thought
working your landscape.
I'm just talking to the inside of the house.
Oh yeah, you're mopping,
housekeeping,
dusting, and window washing, and
look at that place up there.
Oh yeah,
that must be some hotel or something. You know?
I don't know, sweetie. Oh, this house to the right. Look at the windows on it.
Yeah.
The style of it.
Yeah.
Hyperion Avenue. People, I haven't been really telling what streets we're on, so you're going to just have to enjoy for what it is. Well, obviously they know that. I don't have to tell them that, but I haven't been saying so. Sometimes people like for me to say, you know, where I'm at exactly, but we don't always do that. Every once in a while, if I see a street sign, I'll bring it up. Because when I get to editing, sometimes I won't even pay attention to the street signs, and I won't even include it in the picture, you know.
You know that they are in Jacksonville here.
Yeah, we're just in Jacksonville. Just leave it at that.
Oh, they are doing
redoing there. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's a big house down there, but you cannot see it. That house here.
No,
Oh,
there's
this is a Republic, Colombia.
Republic of Colombia.
Oh.
Ambassador. Embajada.
Is it yes, Spanish?
Colombia. Mm-hmm.
Spanish. Okay.
Wow.
There's a lot
You
of
know you're in a
embassy-
nice neighborhood when you're driving by
embassies.
ambassadors' homes.
Yeah. But like the minister's home, you're not gonna see anything to show you.
Mm-mm. Wow.
You see workers in these yards. Oh, this one.
Well, that house is being built there, or being rebuilt, added on or something.
Okay.
Mm.
This house work must be doing there. I see even like a tractor or something.
Mm.
Oh, this one big too.
That's a big home.
There's no trespassing. This one big too.
Well, here they're doing construction.
Construction again, yeah.
Yeah.
Bringing the old to new.
Yeah. Wow. Wowzers, wowzers, wowzers.
Oh, there's a house inside, but
Oh, I can see it.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's far.
Oh, I was hoping to get to see inside this gate and see the house, but they've got a gate you can't even see through.
What is Hyperion happening?
Oh, there's a. Well, this
For
is just this that we were on. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back down
For
that way.
sale.
Uh-oh, we're getting some sprinklies again.
It's not gonna last long.
Yeah. Hopefully they won't get on the cameras too bad. People, I apologize if it does. You have spots on the cameras. That's just the way it's going to have to be. All right, I'm going to go a little faster right here, though, because can't really see over these walls much right here.
Huh.
And then I slowed down because I thought I could see something.
Huh. Construction.
Pretty home there. Oh man, you do need to just drive slow because, you know, when I drive the first time, I can only show the camera on one side of the street. So, although I switch it back and forth to keep it interesting for everybody, you know. Oh, I see. There's some construction equipment in that yard. I see. Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like maybe no one is living there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
It don't look like it look empty.
It looks like a pretty fancy place.
Yeah, but it don't look like anyone.
Mm-hmm.
This one is big, but
Might be apartments.
oh, nice yard.
Yes,
Wow.
yep. Once again. In the Colombia Embassy.
construction going on here too.
Mm-hmm.
Persimmon. That's what they give the.
Persimmon is the one that we've been driving up on this. Yeah.
Maybe house was here at one time, you know, because you have that gate there. I don't know. And it, you know, maybe house could be there and it's old and demolished.
Yes. Well, that's a nice home there. Wow.
Yeah. Just
It's
want
an interesting style. See how it.
Yeah. Yes. Just want paint up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
See, we're doing that there too. Oh no, they're just cleaning up. I don't know, maybe they got nothing to work.
Oh, this is cool up in here. Very cool. Very nice.
Children at play drive slowly.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they're off school. Or Bracknell States. Yeah, so. What a high wall. Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look at this house.
This is modern house.
Mm-hmm.
See this place where you can sit. Big area sitting here up there. Wait,
Okay, this is the end of the road here. Let me look at my map real quick. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it.
Oh, the building a nice house up here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Is that house? Because it has so much glass there, so
Mm-hmm.
it can be a house still. Oh, look up there.
Yes.
Oh.
Let me just look on my map real quick. I want to see where that is. Oh, that's if you go up into Cherry Gardens.
Oh, it's up Cherry Gardens?
Yeah, the back way. Yeah, so we won't go there today. We won't go up there today. We'll include that in the Cherry Gardens tour sometime, you know.
Yeah. Look out there, that place out there, it's big, but
Yeah. Mm.
What a big tree. Wow.
Yeah, that huge. Look at
Yeah.
it.
Whoa. That's an old tree.
Mm-hmm.
This house is what, 3 floors. It's a big house.
Sure is. But what do you see back here? Anything?
House is up there, but you can just barely glimpse it.
Mhm.
It's way up.
Even if I come back the other direction here, I'm not sure I could see much more. So I'll probably just go one direction right here on this road. And then,
It's nice.
well, we'll see. I might. I'm not going to plan too far ahead. Now this shows that's a public road right there.
Where it is?
That, but that's a private drive. I'm not going to take that. That's somebody's driveway.
That is. And it's showing the map. It shows that is a
Well,
public
they
road.
show it on the map. I should say. Shouldn't say it's public. but
So maybe one time.
sometimes they show roads on the map. Well, there's a lot of houses back up to the left that you cannot see. It's just I can see them on the map. That there's houses up there, but you
Yeah.
can't see them. It's just all you see is the flowers and the bushes. So some big houses to the right-hand side, though.
Big house is over here, but you cannot see them well.
You can't see them over there. Let me see if I can pull over to
It's
the
a
side.
nice
so you can
gate.
see up a little bit. Oh, look at this
Look,
hole.
that-
Look at this hole.
Yeah. Wow. Well, this one is nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I may not be able to catch the top of some of those there. I wasn't planning on. I was thinking of Jack's Hill as being more on the flat, but
Wait, you don't just, it's Jack's Hill.
I should have known it's a hill, right?
Yeah.
But no, a lot of them, they're just straight. I don't need the
It's
cameras tilted
nice
back
and
is what I'm
high.
getting at.
Yeah. Look at this.
When you have
Yeah,
cameras tilted back, then you don't have cameras aimed down either.
It's a
Unless you
generator
do.
that they have in that, like a big generator.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, big like Mar was one into the front. So an electric.
This is police, no parking there. And they have razor wire. That's some sort of embassy or something, or some sort of ambassador.
Some big people.
Some big shot people live there.
So the wire. Wow. And cameras, even camera here.
Yep.
So
Cameras and
house is way up.
wow.
You know that to buy a house here or the land here, it's gonna be so expensive.
Wow.
Huh.
You better believe it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now
Brocknell Avenue.
there's a whole bunch of terraces and stuff up in there that I'm not going to go to.
Alright. Alright.
Huh?
Why?
It'd be a video by itself
Oh.
sometime. Let me look at the time. 50 minutes. So yeah, by the time I do this down here, it'll be Jack's Hill. Yeah. I'm not sure if that's considered part of Jack's Hill up there or not.
Mm-hmm.
But nice view down into the city if you're coming down this road.
Mm-hmm.
And here's a for sale sign. I suppose that house right there is for sale.
Wow. Whoa, you can imagine much million.
I can't see the.
You can imagine how
Let's
much.
see. 362-9368. 362-9368. Jackie Nielsen.
Can imagine how much US because I was selling your life here and $3 million US.
yeah.
And yeah, so up here.
No, this is to be out of our price range.
Yeah.
To be out of the price range of us and most people we even know.
Yeah. Most people.
I shouldn't say that because we don't know all the people. Okay, we are gonna take this one though. This little road. Let's see here. Look at the map here, make sure I know where I'm going here.
Where is it?
Oh, we're gonna take this one, but there's not. Huh.
So
we'll take this one.
Here is still Jackson, right?
This is Jack's Hill, but it's on the other side of the road.
Yeah. This look like something nice.
Oh, that's a pretty home.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, security.
I kind of like the color. Yeah, we'll just drive up here a little ways and turn around and.
That gate closed so fast in 10 seconds.
10 seconds. You better get out of the road. It automatically closes. So
yeah, fast. So you're gonna get.
It's automatic closing.
It's fast. Take time, let me see.
Oh, look at that home.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They need to power wash the roof. Private property. No parking or dumping, please.
See those big stones?
Oh, look at this place.
Oh, look at the house inside.
Yes.
Look at over there. Where we're looking.
I don't know where we're at.
I don't know.
I don't know, people.
But some big houses is there.
There's some nice houses down over here.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
That's a whole different neighborhood over there.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what neighborhood that is, but we're going to end up getting there eventually, people.
This one here, so.
Yes. Yeah, that neighborhood down there to the
It's
right.
It's a different place.
It's a whole different neighborhood. But I want to go there sometime. Oh, look at these homes. Look nice.
Uh-huh.
They look very nice, don't they?
Yeah.
Nice big sprawling yards.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Wow.
I tell you what, Jamaica is really has some amazing neighborhoods, homes.
When I was turning
this is the end here. But you know,
look at those houses.
Look at those houses up there.
And those all of the houses.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And up there on the.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, up there on the hill.
You wonder how people
those look like apartments. Those are like some sort of fancy apartment buildings.
Yeah.
That I wouldn't mind living in. You know?
Yeah. Well, this week here, we have plenty of vehicles in this yard here. So.
Mm-hmm.
Although it could just be a one family.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah. The house to the left is nice.
Yeah.
I could say the house to the left is nice, the house to the right is nice, the house in front of us is nice, the house behind us is nice. I could just say they're all nice. I don't even need to say it. I don't know.
Nice housing. And the
it's just everywhere.
And the landscape.
And the landscapes.
Great. Look at the amount of people in that here.
Mm-hmm. So that could be apartments. Yeah, it is because, see, look at the A, B, C, D. Mm-hmm.
But it could be the apartment too that you buy.
No. Yeah, it could be. No, it's not like necessarily you rent.
No, you buy, they buy.
Yeah, they're like townhomes that you buy.
Right, yeah. But, I don't know. I would prefer have my space. I don't like, like you have your own space.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh,
I like.
look at all those houses look the same. Look here, like.
Those are like those are townhomes. Those are
They're
townhomes.
nice.
Yeah.
They're nice.
So they could be where you buy your townhome.
Yeah, but yes, yeah. It's a bunch of them,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty back up in there. Just just drive slow, people, and what I may not talk about everything, but when I'm doing my editing, sometimes I even notice things in the edit that I don't notice when I'm driving, because I'm having to drive, of course. So I may just. That's the nice thing about having multiple cameras on the roof. Then I can show you all different things that I see when I'm doing the edit.
You see, so.
What a view.
Yeah.
24-hour community CCTV in operation. Okay, now we can go down this one. Let's see here. Let's go check out this road. So this part of Jack's Hill is kind of different.
It's kind of different.
It doesn't have it's not developed the same as the other part. It's like more random. There's just these random streets that come off of Jack's Hill Road. Whereas on the other side, there was more of a development where they planned out certain roads and certain size lots. And as you go farther up the mountain, the lots get bigger and the houses get bigger.
Yeah.
Whereas here, it's just kind of randomly you have a road that comes over to this side.
Look at
that style.
It's a peak place. You can just stand here and look through. Look at that part. But the glasses are.
Yeah. It's interesting style.
Where's the stairs? That's where that glass thing is. Look at the style. It's so different.
I don't know how much I can look at from cameras, but hopefully.
It's a big.
Oh yeah, look at it.
It's
backside here. It's a big place.
Yeah, it seems like at first they start with this little development, building the house.
Let's see what we have over there.
It seems like it's heading right down here, so where that house is.
Yeah, I think so. But look at the houses to the left and the right.
Although we cannot really see them well.
No, but as I drive, if I drive slow, people can kind of get a peek through the through the trees and the bushes.
Look at the mountain.
The house with the green and beige comes clear down to here.
Yeah.
Look at it there.
Yeah,
you can catch it with the side
Yes,
camera.
I saw it, yeah.
It looks like it's kind of weathered some. It's like it's a little bit older, but look how huge it is.
It's an older house.
Look how huge it is, though, sweetie.
Well,
Absolutely mammoth.
There are many huge houses up here.
That's pretty. Short Ridge Park. Oh, that's actually a park there.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is an older house too, you know, but look at that one.
Mm-hmm.
Look like wood. At some part is
I
wood.
don't really like that style.
It's an older house.
Uh-huh.
So
Oh, that's nice.
yeah.
Yeah, but they have a nice view of the city from these on the left side of the road. There's a house. I don't know if you can see it over. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it over the wall to the left. So we'll just look at the ones.
I just barely glimpsed.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the greenery, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop. We're gonna turn.
Okay, that there just barely goes up in there, turns back. So I'm not gonna go right. I'll just go left.
Oh, it's a big house. Oh, nice house. Wow. And over here is a big. There's a big house here, but it's way in. You can't. Good. There's a big house inside there too.
Mm-hmm. You really can't see the houses, but you can know.
Shortridge Crescent, Shortridge Avenue.
Well, it looks like the main road again. I didn't think this would take us back to the main road, but it sure enough did. Does this go in? Oh, this doesn't go anywhere down here. Let me just go up here and turn around.
Some nice mango drop.
Well, that's pretty home.
It's another empty.
It's home over here?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, this land.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go back up here in case there was any houses along here that we missed. Let's see. It doesn't seem like there are gonna be, does it? Well, maybe right here there might be a couple. That'll be nice to see. Oh yeah, that's a nice house.
See a road gone that way?
We've been down that road. Uh-huh. We came up and turned around. So we'll look here. Oh, that's kind of a park or something there that. And that's the one we just went on here.
Yeah.
So let me turn around here. Go back down the hill.
Yeah, we just came from this one.
Let me look at my equipment here real quick. Okay.
About how long since you've been videoing?
It's been just over an hour. So I think we just go down here and we're done. Oh, that's a nice house up there to the right. There's one more little Enbron or whatever you want to call it down here that I kind of wanted to take, but I don't really know that we'll be able to get it in. But let's go see what our time does to us and what our batteries do for us.
This one.
Okay, here's this. What's the last little... And I don't even know. This might be a whole video by itself. I don't know how far it goes up in here.
All these places you see workers,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Now there's a road there, but it only goes to like one house. So I'm not going to bother with that.
No.
And that is this road
Like
here is like apartments
Yeah.
I can't go into. Oh, that's
See?
nice. That's pretty, sweetie.
All over here, there's a
Yeah, on both sides.
lot of houses. So maybe it could be houses that you buy over this
Yeah.
side.
But these are more like townhomes and stuff.
Yes.
But see, I'm not going to be able to see too much from the road here. I'm going to slow down now and let this guy go past me. And we'll see a little bit here. But I thought all these little side roads, that if I had to take these, that's why I said I'll drive up in here and see. If I took all these little side roads, then this would be a long drive. But it seems like I can't take any of these side roads, so I'll just go slow and let everybody pass me. What a place. Oh, this is the Rovon Heights community. And then
So it's not Jacksonville.
it doesn't seem
No.
so.
Welcome to Rowan Heights community.
But and then that's a big area there. I think I'm going to let's wrap this up. This has been plenty of video. And then, because I think all the rest of this is going to be a whole video by itself, or maybe not a whole video, but a short video. See, because look at my time. I've been filming over an hour.
All right, so
Let's wrap it up. Yeah.
And if
So
anything you start something.
yeah. So people, thanks for joining us on our big Jack Hills adventure. We didn't know it was going to be so many places, and really, from when we first started the video an hour ago, we've really seen a lot of really cool stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway, be sure and like and share and comment on our videos. Love to read your comments and see what you think of the area. And if you haven't yet, we'd like for you to subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000, people. So help us out there. And if you want to help us with gas money, I'll put a link down in the description for you to do that on PayPal. Or you can do a super thanks right there on the bottom of your screen if you're watching on a mobile device. If you're watching on TV, it's a little bit different situation, so you have to go to your computer to donate. But anyway, every little bit helps people to pay for gas and everything. So help us out if you can. If you can't, just be sure and like and share the video. That's what you can do. So everybody can do something. It doesn't all have to be with a dollar sign in front of it. All right. So big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later. And
Amen.
amen. All right.